Welcome to TechSafe, powered by Medstore Inc. Today we'll explore the essentials of password managers. Managing multiple passwords can be daunting, but password managers offer a secure solution to keep your credentials safe and organized. A password manager acts as a secure online vault for your unique, complex passwords. It generates strong, random passwords, autofills login credentials, and syncs across devices, providing robust protection against phishing attacks. When choosing a password manager, prioritize encryption like AES 256, two-factor authentication, and cross-device compatibility. Review user feedback and consider premium features to ensure you select the best tool for your needs. Popular password managers include LastPass, 1Password, Dashlane, Bitwarden, and KeePass. To maximize security, use a strong master password, enable two-factor authentication, and regularly update your passwords. Stay secure with TechSafe by monitoring password breach alerts and sharing access with trusted individuals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more expert cybersecurity advice.